Welcome to Maine Public News Connect, original news stories from Maine Public Radio, airing weekly in Spanish, French, Portuguese, Somali, and English. I'm your host, Ari Snider. Today is Friday, January 10th, and here are the week's top stories. Despite some recent progress, Maine's Office of Child and Family Services continues to struggle to care for children in state custody, according to a new report. Out of 80 cases highlighted in the report, more than half showed substantial issues impacting either the safety and best interest of the children or the rights of the parents. Bobby Johnson, director of the Office of Child and Family Services, says systemic changes, especially in legal and behavioral health services, are needed to fully address these challenges. The report did cite some areas of progress, including the creation of new positions and management changes within the agency. Governor Janet Mills last month nominated Tarlan Ahmadov to lead the new Maine Office of New Americans, whose goal is to strengthen economic and cultural support systems for immigrants in Maine. Ahmadov currently oversees employment programs at the Maine Department of Labor and was formerly the state refugee coordinator through Catholic Charities Maine. Ahmadov immigrated to the U.S. from Azerbaijan more than 20 years ago and is the founder of the Azerbaijan Society of Maine. Mills signed an executive order last year directing the governor's Office of Policy, Innovation, and the Future to create the new office. Funding for 2 positions was included in the most recent supplemental budget. 18 other states have similar offices. Ahmadov also serves on Maine Public's Board of Trustees. Surveys indicate that for kids, reading books with characters reflecting their identities and experiences can lead to improved literacy. And as Maine has become an increasingly common destination for Central African immigrants, 2 Portland authors have published a multilingual picture book to give some of the new arrivals a chance to see their own experiences reflected on the page. The book is called Kende Kende Kende, which translates to go, go, go in Lingala, a widely spoken language in Central Africa. It's written in French and English with Lingala phrases sprinkled throughout. It tells the story of a family fleeing violence in Central Africa and resettling in a fictional town that has many similarities to Portland. Diane Nyemba, a 13-year-old from the Democratic Republic of the Congo who now lives in Westbrook, said reading the book helped her see that many other families in Maine have been through similar experiences. The Portland-based group ProsperityME is accepting applications for its scholarship program for asylum seekers. The scholarship is designed to bridge a gap in funding assistance for asylum seekers who are not eligible for federal student financial aid. The funding is limited to Maine residents attending a Maine college or university. The program also pairs students with a mentor. For more information, visit ProsperityMaine.org. This has been Maine Public News Connect. We'll see you next time. Thank you to our excellent community partners for supporting and contributing to this program. Maine Public News Connect is made possible by individual supporters and foundations from across Maine, as well as cPort Credit Union, Hannaford Supermarkets, IDEXX, MaineHousing, Coastal Enterprises, CoverMe.gov, the Sam L. Cohen Foundation, Koo and Patricia Yuen, and Maine Health Access Foundation. Maine Public News Connect is made possible by Koo and Patricia Yuen, committed to bridging cultural differences in our communities.
cPort Credit Union, providing innovative banking solutions while actively supporting Maine's diverse communities. cPortCU.org.
Hannaford Supermarkets, celebrating the diversity of its employees, customers, and communities, and committed to fostering a welcoming environment. Together, they're greater than groceries. Learn more at hannaford.com. At MaineHousing, they know that an affordable home is key. The First Generation program gives Mainers the chance to be the first in their family to own a home. Home ownership is possible. Learn more at MaineHousing.org.
You can compare plans and get financial help to lower your cost at CoverMe.gov, a resource for finding health insurance that fits at a price that works.